everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this mandala. I use 3.5 millimeters hook, 3.5 millimeters ribbon yarn. I use 3.5 millimeters ribbon yarn. Row 26. Go to top of first stitch. In here insert your hook, pull up yarn, slip a stitch. In row 26 add one chain. Take this stitch on your hook, first stitch, insert your hook into this stitch, take first stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, make one single crochet around this stitch. In first stitch make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to this double crochet stitch from back, insert your hook, take this stitch on your hook from back, make back post double crochet around this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, add one chain, yarn over, insert your hook from back into this stitch, make double crochet, add one chain, repeat in next stitch, make double crochet, one chain, yarn over, make double crochet, one chain, we make 1 2 3 4 in last stitch of this stitch, one double crochet, make a chain, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make one double crochet. In here after this stitch continue same as before, rows skip 2 stitches, go to next stitch, make one single crochet, in next stitch one single crochet, in here one single crochet 3 times, 1 2 3, in top of this stitch make one, in top of this stitch one, in this side 1 2 3, skip 2 stitches, go to this stitch, make one double crochet around this stitch. In here we have 8 single crochet in total, add one chain, repeat, go to this stitch same as this side, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, add one chain, repeat 5 times, one double crochet, one chain, 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 1 2 3 4 5. In here take this stitch on your hook, make double crochet, skip 2 stitches, go to third stitch, single crochet. In here we have 8 single crochet like this stitches and repeat. I make this row until here. We have 1 2 3 4 5 back post double crochet. In here 8 single crochet. In last stitch go to 1 2 third 2 in second chain, pull up yarn, slip stitch. I'm complete this round like this. Row 27. In row 27, add 1 chain, take this stitch on your hook. Take this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, add 1 2 chains in here. In here, yarn over, go to this stitch. In here we have 1 2 3 4 5 stitches. Take first stitch, make 1 2 3 4 double crochet, run this stitch, pull up yarn, hold this yarn, go to top of first stitch, insert your hook, take this yarn, pull up yarn, make a popcorn stitch, add 2 chains, go to next stitch, repeat 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, insert your hook in top of first stitch, take this yarn, pull up yarn, 2 chains, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, insert your hook, make popcorn stitch, 2 chains, repeat on next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 3 4 stitches, slip stitch, make 2 chains, go to here, repeat, two, 3 4, add 2 chains, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet like this. In here, in this single crochet stitch, continue same as before rows, skip 2 stitches, go to third stitch. In here make 1 2 3, 4. Skip 2 stitches, go to next front post double crochet, make front post double crochet, 2 chains, make popcorn stitch like this stitch with 4 double crochet. In here we have 4 single crochet and repeat like this for this row. I made this front until here. In here, after 4 single crochet, go to top of first stitch, insert your hook, pull up yarn, slip stitch. Row 28. For make row 28, go to after this front post double crochet, insert your hook into the sole, pull up yarn, make a slip stitch in the sole, go to top of this cluster, this popcorn stitch, insert your hook into this stitch, make a slip stitch. We make 2 slip stitches in here. In top of first popcorn stitch, make 1, 2, 3 chains, add 1, 2 more chains, yarn over, go to same stitch in top of this popcorn stitch, insert your hook, pull up yarn, make 1 double crochet. We make 1 V stitch in top of popcorn stitch, go to top of next popcorn stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, go to same stitch, 1 double crochet, go to next popcorn stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, make V stitch in top of popcorn stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet in last popcorn stitch, make V stitch, 2 chains, 1 double crochet. Now we make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 V stitch in top of popcorn stitches. In here I show slowly, continue like this. We have 1 yarn unhook, yarn over, take front post double crochet on your hook, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns unhook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, hold this yarn on your hook, yarn over, go to next front post before these popcorn stitches, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together. Now we have 3 yarns unhook, yarn over, pull through all of them. I show. Go to top of this stitch, repeat like this V stitches, yarn over, go to top of popcorn stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet. Repeat like this stitch for this popcorn stitch, I make this stitch. We have 1 2 3 4 5 V stitches in top of popcorn stitch. I show in here slowly one more like this stitch. Yarn over, we have one yarn unhook, yarn over, take front post double crochet unhook, pull up yarn, pull through two yarns together, hold this yarn unhook, yarn over, take this side front post double crochet on your hook, pull up yarn. Now we have 4 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. We have 1 2 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, and repeat like this for this row. I made this stitches until here. I show make 1 2 3 4 5 V stitches in top of popcorn stitches. In here in last stitch I show yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook, pull through 2 yarns together. In here take first stitch, yarn over, take first stitch, unhook, pull up yarn. We have 4 yarns unhook, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through all of them, and make this row like this. In here go to first stitch in first V stitch, pull up yarn, slip stitch,